Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class. So previous day we already started the food for good health, this chapter, right? Food for good health. So previous days we already learned about the kinds of foods, and two kinds of foods we discussed. First one is energy giving foods and second one is bodybuilding foods. And that two energy giving foods and bodybuilding foods, we learned that which food gives us energy and which food build our muscles and build our bones. So today we will learn the protective foods. The protective foods, and which foods are the protective foods? See, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables we call the protective foods. They prevent us from falling sick and help us to stay healthy. We already learnt about this, that fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. So those fruits and vegetables are those protective foods which keeps us healthy, and prevent us from falling sick, So we learnt about the kinds of food, and we learned there are three types of foods. First one, energy giving foods, they are butter, potatoes, sugar, rice, wheat, those. And the second one is bodybuilding foods. So those foods are milk, egg, meat, pulses like various types of dal, grams. So those are the bodybuilding foods. They makes our muscles and bones. They keep us strong. And the protective food, fruits and vegetables. And you know those food keeps us healthy and prevent us from falling sick. Next is water. So we learnt about the water, and we already know that we have to take a minimum 8 glass of water in a day, right? So our body needs a lots of water, and water helps us to digest food. So here we have to learn that there are many work about the of water, and it helps us throughout the undigested waste from our body, and we should drink at least 8 glass of water in a day. And you already know about this, right? We cook most of our food before we eat, yes, and but some vegetables like carrot, radish, tomato, fresh foods, we eat this raw. So first of all, we have to learn about those kinds of foods and the water. So our body needs a lot of water, and we have to take minimum 8 glass of water every day, because there are a lot of works of water, and their water helps us digest those foods. Which foods we take in our lunch, in our dinner, or any kind of meal, those water help us to digest them, and it helps us throw those undigested waste from our body. Undigested waste, which foods are not can be digested by water, so those undigested waste the water throw from our body. And the next is that we cook most of water before we eat, right? We cook those vegetables and those rice, wheat, we made chapatis from wheat, right? So we made many things, and first of all we have to cook them. And but some vegetables like carrot, radish, tomatoes, and those fresh fruits, we can eat them raw. So those foods we can take it raw, and some foods we have to first cook them. So here today we learned that about water and those kinds of foods, that energy giving foods, protective foods and bodybuilding foods and their examples. And you have to read those kinds of foods and about water very attentively at your home, and you have to remember this also, right? So read this chapter. food for good health and read this kind of foods very attentively. And that's all for today. Have a nice day and bye.